Today topic is axiomatic approach to probability. Axiom of probability first. Let S be a finite sample space. Let P of S be the class of events and P be the real valued function defined on P of S. Then P of A is called the probability function of the event capital A when the axioms are holds as follows. Number 1. For any event capital A, P of A is probability of the event capital A is greater than or equal to 0. So, which is positive. Postulate number 2. For any two mutually exclusive events, then P of A and B is equal to P of A plus P of B. Postulate number 3. P of S total probability will be 1. Now, EX number 12.1, sum number 6. An integer is chosen at random from the first 100 positive integers. What is the probability that the integer chosen is a prime or multiple of 8? One is prime, another one is multiple of 8. Okay. First, let us take 100 positive integers. 100 positive integers. Therefore, the sample space is equal to the set of 1, 2, 3 and so on to 100. Total number of elements or total number of events in the sample space S is 100. Therefore, N of S is 100. Let A denote the event of getting a prime number. That is S equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97 are the prime numbers from the set 1 to 100 or the numbers 1 to 100. Total number of elements in the set A is 25. Of getting the multiple of 8. That is, the set B is equal to 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, then 80, 88, 96. N of B is 12 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, N of B is 12. Total number of elements in the set B or total number of events in the set B is 12. N of A and B is equal to N of A plus N of B. Why? A and B are independent or mutually exclusive. So, the common elements are 5, null set. So, N of A is 25, N of B is 12. Totally 37 is N of A union B. Probability of A union B is or probability of A or B or A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B divided by total N of S. N of A plus N of B is 37 whole divided by 100. Sum is 4. Next, sum number 7. A bag contains 7 red balls, 4 black balls. 3 balls are drawn at random. Find the probability that number 1, all are red. Number 2, 1 red, 2 black balls. 1 red, 2 black balls. First, by the given instruction, total number of balls. 7 red, 4 black balls. 7 red balls, 4 black balls is sample space S. Number of selection of 3 balls from the red ball and black balls. So, first total number of balls is 11 selected by 3. So, 11 C3. 7 into 10 into 9 whole divided by 1 into 2 into 3. Cancelling we get 165. Number 1. Let capital A denotes the event of getting 3 red balls. N of A is equal to 7 C3. 7 into 6 into 5 whole divided by 1 into 2 into 3. 35. Probability of getting the capital A is 3 red balls. N of A divided by N of S is equal to N of A is 35, N of S is 165. So, 7 5s are 35 numerator, denominator 33 5s are 165. Cancelling these two 5s we get 7 divided by 33. Subdivision number 2. Let B denote the event of getting 1 red ball, 2 black balls. N of B is equal to 7C1. Select 1 from 7. Then red ball, select 2 from 4 balls. So 7C1 into 4C2. 7C1 is 7. 4C2 is 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 2 is answer 6. So 7 6 are 42 divided by n of s 42 divided by 165. 42 can be written in the form of 14 3s are 42 whole divided by 55 3s are 165. Cancelling these two 3s we get 14 divided by 55. Sum number 8. A single card is drawn from pack of 52 cards. Pack contains 52 cards. What is the probability that number 1 card is an ace or king? Number 2 card will be 6 to smaller. Number 3 the card is either a queen or 9. First total number of cards is 52. Number of ace cards 4, number of king cards 4. So number of ace card 4, number of king card 4, n of a plus n of k, n of a ace card plus n of king card a is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Probability of ace or king card is equal to n of a plus n of k divided by n of s. 4 plus 4 divided by 52. Cancelling we get 2 by 13. Will be 6 or smaller. Means 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Totally 20. Probability of card will be 6 or smaller is number of cards will be 6 or smaller divided by n of s is equal to 205 divided by 52. So 5 divided by 20 divided by 52. 4 5s are 20. 4 13s are 52. Cancelling 4 we get 5 by 13. Number 3. Number of queen or 9. Number of queen is 4. Number of 9 is 4. So 4 plus 4 mutually exclusive. So adding these two 8. Probability of queen card or 9 is equal to number of queen card or 9 whole divided by n of s. Number of queen card or 9 is 8. Therefore 8 divided by 52. 2 into 4 whole divided by 13 4. Cancelling these two we get 2 divided by 13. Hence probability of queen or 9 will be a cricket club has 16 members. How many members are there? 16 members, of whom only 5 can bowl. What is the probability that in a team of 11 members at least 3 bowlers are selected? Sample space S is cricket club contains how many members are there? 16 members. We have to take team contains 11 members. Therefore, n of s is 16C 11. We know that NCR formula. NCR is equal to NC n minus r formula. 16C 11 is 16C 11 minus 16C 11 will be 16C 11 minus 16 minus 11. 16 minus 11 is 5. NCR is equal to NC n minus r. So 16CR is 4,362. Okay. Now let A denote the event of getting at least 3 bowlers. The table is as follows. Serial number 1. First A non-bowlers 11, bowlers 5, totally 16. Then combination. Number 1. 8 non-bowlers, 3 bowlers. 11C8 into 5C3 is equal to 1650. Calculation is 11C8 into 5C3 is equal to 11C 11 minus using the formula NCR is equal to NC n minus r into 5C3 is equal to 11C 11 minus 8 is 3. So 11C3 into 5C3. 11C3 is 11 into 10 into 9 whole divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into 5C3 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. Cancelling we get 165 into 10. 5 2s are 10. So answer is 1650. Next serial number 2. 7 non-bowlers, 4 bowlers. 11C7 into 5C4 is equal to 1650. 11C 7 into 5C4 is equal to, using the formula NCR is equal to NCN minus R. So 11C 11 minus 7 into 5C4 is equal to 11C4 into 5C4. Expanding 11C4 330. 5C4 is 5. Hence product of these two numbers 330 into 5 is 1650. Next serial number 3, non-bowlers 6, bowlers 5. Adding these two 11. Now 11C 6 into 5C5 is equal to 462. Why? 11C6 into 5C5 is equal to, using the formula NCR is equal to NCN minus R. 11C 11 minus 6 into 5C5 is equal to 11C5 into 5C5. 11C5 is, cancelling these two, we get 11 into 3 into 2 into 7. 462 into 5C5 is 1. So 462 into 1 is 462. Now let A denote the event of getting the selection of number of selection of cases is equal to 3762. By adding these three, we get 3762. Probability of A. N of A is 3762. P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. N of A is 3762. Whole divided by N of S is 4362. Now 6 into 627 whole divided by 6 into 728 is equal to 627 divided by 728. Number 1. The odds that event A occurs is 5 to 7. Find P of A. Number 2. Suppose P of A is equal to 2 by 5. Express the odds that event of P occurs. By the given instruction, we know that P of odd of an event A occurs is A is to B. Then this will be A by A plus B. P of odd of an, this is formula. P of odd of an event capital A occurs 5 is to 7. 5 is to 7 means 5 divided by 5 plus 7, 5 divided by 12. Number 2, that P of B is equal to 2 by 5 is given. This can be written as P of B is equal to 2 divided by 2 plus 3 is 5, denominator. Hence, the odds that the event B occurs is 2 to 3. 2 to 3. Number 1. A card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that it is a black card. Next, question number 2. A natural number less than or equal to 25 is chosen. Find the probability that it is a multiple of 5. These two are homework problems. Any doubt, reply the message. Thank you.